Howdy class. I'm just going to quickly show you how to make shapes and join shapes on Adobe Illustrator. Um, so once you've opened up your file, what you can do is move over here. We've got a few different things here. So there's two pen tools. One's called the pen tool, one's called the curvature tool. So the pen tool, that one there, this does straight lines. So if I click on the pen tool and I click and I move my mouse and click, 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 I can create shapes that have straight edges. Alrighty. Um, then once I go back to my selection tool, I can move that around. I can change the fill. So remember, if you wanted to laser cut that, etch out that design, it needs to be black. And if you wanted to cut it out that shape, we need to change the fill to nothing. And the stroke needs to be red. So RGB. So red 255, green 0, blue 0. And then the thickness of the line, the stroke, needs to be 0.01. Alrighty. That's one way to make a shape. The next one we've got there is the curvature tool. So that's similar to the pen tool that we just did, but it does curved lines. So if I want to make a shape that's sort of curvy, I can do it like that. Alrighty, so I'll just change the stroke on this so you can see it a bit easier. Alright, so there's two ways we can do it. Another way we can make shapes is here. We've got the rectangle tool, ellipse, polygon, star. So I'm just going to do a rectangle. Now if I just click and hold and drag out, it drags my rectangle. If I want to make something an exact size, I can click and then type my dimensions in like that. So what if I want to make it 40 by 40 millimeters? Okay, then I've got an exact size there. Now you may notice that these little circles pop up in the corners. That's so I can curve my corners of it. So I can make that a curvy, a smooth cornered rectangle. Okay, again, I can change the shape of this by clicking on here, making sure we're doing all this editing with our selection tool. If you click the direct selection tool, you're going to select different parts of it. So if I have a direct selection tool picked, I'm going to be sort of editing the shape, and it makes it a bit weird. You may want to do that, but I would usually stick to the selection tool. Alrighty, so I'm just going to show you quickly how to join shapes. So I've got this star here. So I'm going to join my star and my rectangle. So I'm going to click my selection tool and drag my star over here. I might want to make it like, let's just make it like that. So once I've got those two there, what I do is I click and drag, and so I select over both of those. And then my shape builder tool looks like two circles with the an arrow pointed to it. So I click on that, and I click a line, and I make the line go over all the shapes I want to join. Okay, and then that's joined. So then I can move that around. I can fill it however you want. Okay, that's that one done.